I can see the Hatta sign.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
What's up guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Bev. So today I'm in Hatta Wadi Hub, and inside this Wadi Hub there is Go Gravity, where they have lots of activities also. So today I'm going to try two activities: the tube sliding and the rover. So let's go inside. The Go Gravity is on the left side of Wadi Hub. That side, can you see that? So I'm going there and inquire for the activities, but I'm sure I'm gonna do two activities. I was actually planning to do hiking up to the Hatta sign, but today is very hot. It's gonna be like 2 hours hike, so I'm not sure if I can do it under the heat of the sun. So I'm gonna do it on winter season. I just canceled that plan, so I'm gonna do the rover instead. I'm going to Go Gravity reception to buy the tickets. We are going up to the starting point of the tube sliding. Thank you. I should sit here, right? Okay. Cross legs. Okay, and then I can hold something here, this one?
Hold this side. Which hand you want to use?
Yeah, this one. Yes.
There.
Should I remove my hat? No need. I think it's...
Yeah.
Should I?
Yeah.
Or should I keep it?
It can remove if you keep it. The wind can take it.
Really?
So you need to remove it.
Okay. So, this is it.
Ready?
No. Okay. I didn't know that I'm gonna get wet. All right. I'm wet. I didn't know they're sprinkling water on the side. That's it. I had fun. Whew. There is a nice cafe inside the Go Gravity Center, and I'm gonna order some cold drinks because it's really hot. But first, I'm gonna have a bite of this strawberry ice cream. This cafe is very nice because the wall is made of glass, so I can see the view while I'm sitting here enjoying my cold drinks. So I'm having my cookie milkshake. This is so good because it's very hot outside, really. You know what I like here in Hatta? The tourist attractions are close to each other. It's less than 10 minutes drive even. It doesn't take time to go to other places from one place. It saves time a lot. So the rover is 145 dirhams per adult for 45 minutes.
Your knees.
Ah, okay. I need to wear the helmet, elbow pads, and knee pads, of course, for safety, and gloves. So I'm ready.
This is our speed.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Lower, medium, higher.
Oh, okay.
Okay. If you want to go back, reverse here.
Okay.
This is reverse. This is forward.
Okay.
Reverse, forward. This is our accelerator. Like this. Moving.
Moving
Yeah.
backward. Okay.
Yeah. Like this.
Okay.
This is front tire brake. This one back
Back.
tire brake.
Okay. Sure.
Okay. Use back tire brake.
Okay. Sure.
Don't put your leg down. Okay.
This is fun! See the Hajar Mountains on my left side, and on the right side are the mountains. Woo. This is fun. I'm enjoying actually. This is the first time I'm doing this. So the trail for Rover is pretty easy. It's not so rough. The terrain is flat. This is rocky road. Oh, it's a bit bumpy ride, but I like it. It's more challenging. We stop here in Kattem Dam. This is another dam here in Hatta. Kattem Dam was established in 1975 to collect and store rainwater for agriculture, provide water to the residents of the area, and recharge groundwater reservoir. Ooh. Oh, there are lots of fishes. But why the water is green? Is it because of the algae? So that's the Hatta sign.
That's 2 lines.
Okay.
That is there. They can feel let the water come that place, then they stop it. If water reach there, we know we'll come here, we'll go stand there. We're passing through like this. So small road, but now we take everywhere.
Hey, little duck. Oh, it doesn't like me. This is the Kattem Dam. I have a very nice view of Hajar Mountains from here. I can see the Hatta sign up there on top of the mountain. This is a nice place actually. Very relaxing. And this is a very nice location for camping. As you can see, there is a huge space next to the dam. to the highway. I can see many cars. This is so much fun. I'm enjoying it. Ooh, I'm gonna run fast. Yahoo! Just so much easier on cemented road, but in the rough road I have to control it like I have to slightly bend my knees. Oh, another detour. I really don't know where are we going. I'm just following the guide. Oh wow, there's a pond. I enjoyed so much the Rover ride. It was my first time to do it. I had so much fun. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click the subscribe button below and the notification bell so you won't miss anything. Thank you for watching.